Hi guys, this is Ken K back with another video. We're gonna blow up minecon Earth with millions of TNT. It's gonna be so fantastic. I'll just search up TNT for now. TNT. See if this will work. I'll spread them up. I'll kill the other islands later. I'll kill this one. And then this will be spreading down. Oh yeah, not all of them are gonna be destroyed like bedrock. It's not even gonna get destroyed. If the world doesn't explode all, I'll still explode it. I'll see what happens. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Let me see them. Oh my gosh, what happened? Oh, minecon Earth title. Ooh, I see something behind it. Oh, it's the ender portal. Great. Did any biomes survive? Yeah, some of them did. But now it's raining here. Now it's just raining out. Oh. Let me explode the title. I want to have a look when I exploded the title. Whoa. The title. What happened? No. No. Whoa. Whee. Aw, they all gone into the void. Wait, I just saw it spawn and fell out of the world. This doesn't make sense. Let me see when it exploded with one TNT. There were no destruction. I think I can blow up it. How do I get up? Here. Let me explode this. What? Did I just kill some of the parts of it and it spilt out? Did it just spill out? Let me try kill this world. What does this contain? What did the sign say? Oh, contained some egg spawners. Why would it? Let me explode this island. There's no time to wait. See what happens when it explodes into with millions. Let it blow. Let it blow. Oh, I completely destroyed the island. It's like nothing had happened. Oh my gosh. Let me try to destroy some more little ones. Oh, I found another island. Let me destroy this island. Include. No time to waste. Just let's go. Yeah, there's lots on this island now, so let's blow it up. Oh, completely destroyed island. This island is like ruined. This world is ruined. It used to look good before, but now it's just a ruined island full of stuff that I hate. Are you Mr. Shulker? Oh, I thought I was lagging. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let me try destroy it more. Oh, it's dying. It's suffocating. Oh. Wee, bye-bye. Oh, I killed it. Oh my gosh, the island. Hey. Oh, cool. This world is completely ruined. Minecon Earth is also ruined. Bye-bye. It's really dark. Let me put it on sunrise mode. Yeah, that's better. Well, it's more floating. Ruined the landmass. Lol. I guess the zombies will be on fire. I found some other challenges. It's trap chest, and it's with like blue dye, and with like blue concrete powder. See if they stack up. Ah, they just immediate break. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh yeah, minecon Earth. I want to try burning it now. Minecon Earth. Minecon Earth title. Burn it. Oh my gosh, it's gonna burn. The fire's gonna burn Minecon Earth apart. Lol. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna kill it. Oh, some things have just sudden. Bye-bye. Oh, I completely killed it. Do you know what is this now? Because it has M and it has still the E. Lol. Let me set this place. Let's set this place on to blowing. Let's set this to get destroyed. Oh, bye-bye. And I see an elderly. The elder guardian. I'm gonna see what happens. Well, this also survived. Oh. The gun burnt. Why is there still the egg spawn? Get back up. Up, Steve, with the cake up. Oh. Minecraft is extremely ruined. Minecraft is ruined. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Do you still know, is this even this is just smoking a small random ass with nothing. This is just a small random ass being a broken random ass. LOL. Oh. This is what happened. Oh, we could do parkour here. Oopsies. We could do parkour. I start from here. Jump. No, that's impossible. Then jump down. Then you could go onto here, or you could fall, or you could land. Oh, cool. Guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching this destroying. No, oh yeah, it should be ending. Bye, guys.